Hi, welcome to a WAMAP Quick Tips video. In this one, we're going to look at how you can get to the grades of an assignment the easiest way possible. So if you are giving a test and you want to go in and maybe change things beyond what WAMAP gave as automatic points, you want to go in and give partial credit, we're going to look at some easier ways to do that. So I'm going to go into my test one here that's past due and my students have already taken it. The easiest way to get to the grades, rather than going up through the grade book up here and going the long way, we can go to the assignment, click on the settings wheel and click on grades. That'll take us immediately to the grades of that test or assignment. And then you've got the option for two different views. You have item analysis, which shows by question. Even if your test has order scrambled between the students, you can still view, let's say I wanted to look at this fundamental theorem of calculus. I can press grade next to that question and it will show me the student responses for all students of that one question. And I can go through and see which students I might want to give partial credit to. If I feel like looking at one question at a time is easier, I can go from the item analysis view. Maybe here they had the right answer except for the variable. So if I decided I wanted to give partial credit for that, maybe I give them a 0.2 out of 1. I can do that, go to the bottom, do that for all the students, go through and press Save Changes, and that updates the scores for all students for that one question. Your other view, besides the item analysis one question at a time, you can switch to view score list, and this will give you one student at a time. So you can go through, if you have the scratch paper of an individual student in front of you, you can go ahead and view it. Let's take a look at this student. We can click on their score, and it'll show us all of their questions from that one student. And we can go through and see if we wanted to give any partial credit. I don't think I do here, but you can make any changes to the scores, record the change grades, and do that for each individual student if you find that more convenient. So there are two ways to sort of easily get in and start changing grades for students beyond what WAMAP automatically gave. So compared to other ways we can get to the student scores and make changes to their grade, this gives us a more convenient way to more quickly get our grading done.